certified 74. They're very able to play. So we use to carry our counterweight, as you can see. I'm going to test drive this truck for you to see how you can drive a truck. I'm moving right now and see how powerful it is. Then I'll show you the functional system inside the vehicle. Then let's go. Can we go now? Yeah, as you can see, welcome back. I show you how powerful it is. Just moving the truck. As an instructor, I don't find it difficult operating this longer vehicle. It's very durable, massive, and powerful. I would like to show you how the gear system on the steering of this vehicle works. Look at it here. We have gear 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we have 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how do you use this kind of gear? This is a shift button gear. As you can see, this is the shift button gear here. So we have the gear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you come back to neutral, pin up, then 6, then 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm gonna move now and show you how you can start moving with a truck like this in a 10 gear. Yeah, fine. Okay. You can check the back. There is a counterweight loaded on it. A full counterweight loaded on it. If your truck is loaded, you don't need to start from the gear 1. Depends on how loaded it is. So if it's loaded, you can start from gear 3 or gear 2. So that it's going to start fine and it's going to move fine from the beginning. So let's see. Let's take a drive.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, I'm moving now. I'm on gear 3. Now I have to return my brake. Without this, it's going to move. It's not going to move to anywhere. Difficult to drive, very easy, and going into the cone you have to be calculative. You need to know how to set and maneuver because the low bed is a little bit longer. As you can see, I go into the cone successfully. Yeah, successfully. Yeah, that's how the low bed works perfectly. We're gonna see you next time. Thank you for watching. Thank you.
Yeah.